My name is Mike Daniels. I'm a professor in the Department of Geography and the Environment. The Department of Geography and the Environment, we offer 3 degrees, and it's important if you're interested in our programs to understand a little of the differences between the 3 degrees. We offer a BS and a BA in Environmental Science, and we offer a BA in Geography. Environmental Science students, both BA and BS, take a year-long sequence at some point in their 4 years here, a year-long sequence in biology, 1 in geography, 1 in chemistry. If you're doing the BS, also a year of physics and 2 quarters of calculus. And so the first step as a first-year student is an environmental science major is to get those sequences started. Definitely you take Geography 1201. You should also start your chemistry sequence, which is Chemistry 1010. It's general chemistry. Biology sequence doesn't begin until winter quarter, so you don't enroll for that fall quarter in the first place. And if you're going to do a BS and you want to do the physics, perhaps advisable to do that sophomore year or even senior year for some students, rather than trying to do that along with the bio, chem, and geography sequences your first year. So for environmental science students, really the 2 classes you have to take are Geography 1201, Chemistry 1010. Once you get here, we can talk about other opportunities that you have. The other classes I'd recommend you take your first quarter are general common curriculum requirements and get a sense for some of the other things on campus. For geography majors, geography is, and you can look this up all online of course, the least credit hour intensive major. It's only 45 credit hours. It's a very doable major if you want to double major in something else, whether it's journalism or communication or art history. I've known many students who've double majored in geography and something else. The only classes that you need to take during your first year or so are Intro Human Geography, which is Geography 1410, and a GIS class. But whether or not you take those in your first quarter is not so important because the curriculum's not as structured. Take a quarter or 2 and get your feet wet and figure out where your interests really lie, and then sort of make these natural connections with faculty members later on that will get you into internship opportunities and research opportunities.